today we are in district headquarter hospital in one-stop center Sakhi. It's a government of India programs under the National Health Missions and Ministry of Women and Child Development, Government of India, and state government is also cooperating through the women and child under the Mission Shakti. So this is only a center where they are rendering the excellent services for the betterment of the women and child, those who are been tortured in the society in any manner, physically assaulted or been tortured by their husband or their family members or any means. If they suffer, the women and child, they can seek help from the center. Here one center administrator, and let we discuss with the center administrator in his own office. This particular center Sakhi has been inaugurated on 28 June 2018. During that prayer, our Honorable MP, then MP Nagendra Kumar Pradhan, and local MLA of Sambalpur, Dr. Professor Rasesh Panigrahi, they have inaugurated this particular center, and soon after that particular inauguration, the center done excellent job, and really it is a matter of praiseworthy. This particular one-stop center Sakhi is situated in the first floor of Medicine Ward under the district headquarter hospital. Let we go inside and talk with the administrators and other staff in which way they are rendering the work to the common people. Dear friend, as I earlier stated to you that this particular center is the one of establishment of Government of India as well as Government of Odisha also cooperating and helping in this. So let we talk with our administrators first and know how they are rendering services and what type of services they are providing. So let we discuss with her. This is the center. You know that there is a lot of programs now government introducing in the society, basically for the children's, and this is the organizations run by the Government of India under the Ministry of Women and Child Development as well as jointly with the Mission Shakti. So we are really very much grateful to the administrations of the Government of India and Government of Odisha. And in this particular center, there are 17 staff, and out of 17 staff, some security guards are there, some counselors are there, lady counselors, and they are, when any lady, destitute lady came to this center, they dealing the matter, and if they found it is needful, then they have communicated with the concerned police, and also they have referred to the concerned organizations. You see, this is the center, very nicely been managed. So let we talk with the counselor. There are two counselors, they are present. So let we discuss with them. So dear friends, now we have two staff. They are one is case worker, another is counselor. So let we talk with them and asking what service they are rendering to the destitute women, those who are coming here for the help and others assistance. Okay, ma'am, tell me your names. What's your names and give your instructions.
I am Bandha Maisuna. I am working here for the post of case worker.
Yeah, what are you doing here being a case worker?
Being a case worker, it's our duty to when the victim are come here, we
You are inquire, and write down all this matter.
Okay, yeah. We inquire or we about we know their case detail. What would be what they want to help.
What they need from you, then after you recorded it and give it to your counselor.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you, thank you. Well, ma'am, what's your name?
My name is Deepanjali Mohanty.
Yeah.
I am counselor at
What you are doing? What counsel you are giving? What type of consultation?
Survivor come there. We provided her psychosocial counseling according to their needs.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And what type of service you are giving?
We provided joint counselings, family counseling sessions. According to their needs, we provide that.
No, that I understand. According to their need, you are doing.
Yes.
You are basically appointed as a counselor. Okay, that means you console. Okay, you console and swantana. I mean, it is in swantana. What type of consolation you are giving? What type of consolation? How you are dealing the case? Suppose some lady came. He has been physically been assaulted. Okay.
We first give her sympathy.
Yeah.
Then we slowly, when first calm down her minds, then after that we provide her psychosocial counseling.
Yeah. Suppose the victim lady sustained injuries in her person, okay, and she is in need of legal services. What then? What will you do then? Being a counselor?
First provide her medical aid. After
Yeah.
that,
You yourself provide or what?
their staff are available.
Yeah.
Or,
Your own staff here.
yes, in our institute, Sakhi,
Yeah.
there is medical staff also available.
Yeah.
First we provided her medical aid,
Yeah.
then we their needs or according we provided her
Counseling.
psychosocial
Okay.
counseling.
Medical staff. That means they are from the district headquarters hospital, or that is your
No,
own
no.
staff.
Our staff.
What they are exactly calling? What their post?
Eh,
Nurse, sister, like that, or what? Your staff are there, na? You say that medical staff are there. Paramedical, yeah. They are all paramedical. How many paramedical staff are
one
there?
paramedic staff.
One paramedical. Ladies or gents?
Ladies.
Yeah. Yeah, that
All staff are
it
ladies.
means there are 17 staff and all are
All staff are ladies.
women.
Only,
Women. Yeah.
Only two security staff are there.
Only securities, yeah, securities are only male. But other staff, the more 14 number of staff, they are all women.
As we are
Okay, okay,
working
okay,
for
okay.
women, so
Okay. So, what do you want? What you think? Then how can you give better service? What assistant and requirement you want to provide more service, more good service to the person those who are coming here? Or are you satisfied with the establishment which has been given by the government? Or what do you want more here to provide better service, being a counselor?
Yes, sir.
That means you are satisfied. Whatever the establishment provided by the government to give counseling, you are satisfied on it. Okay? Thank you. Dear friends, here another counselor, he is recently come in his rotation. She is work from 2 to up to 9 night. Then after another counselor will come. Okay, ma'am, you introduce yourself. What's your name and what's positions?
नमस्ते, मैं ज्योति प्रधान यहाँ पे काउंसलर हूँ और अभी मेरा शिफ्ट स्टार्ट हुआ है
How long you work here? यानी from 2 to how long?
2 to 9 PM.
Yeah. Every day? Or your rotation is change?
Changed.
Every day you are not in 2 to 9. Some day maybe you from 6 to 2 like that.
हम लोग वीक वाइज करते हैं, वीकली 7 मतलब एक वीक हम शिफ्ट
Yeah,
करते हैं.
right.
मतलब आज अगर मेरा 2 बजे है तो मैं मतलब 7 दिन तक 2 बजे ही आऊँगी.
यानी 9 बजे after at 9 o'clock it will be closed down the center or what?
नो सर, सेंटर तो 24 आवर मतलब ओपन रहता है. यहाँ पे हम लोग मतलब 24 घंटा स्टाफ रहते हैं.
It means that means you are providing service around the clock.
यस सर.
Around the clock you are providing service. You means your staff.
हाँ, ऑल स्टाफ.
Well, nice. What in fact being a counselor, what you are doing?
अगर कोई भी आते हैं मतलब सर्वाइवर जो कि डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस का मतलब उनके ऊपर हुआ होगा कुछ वायलेंस, वो मेंटली हो सकता है, फिजिकली हो सकता है. अगर हमारे पास आएंगे तो हम उनको मतलब पहले तो उनका जो भी मतलब फर्स्ट तो अभी
Inquire करते हैं. First you inquire the matter, then after you refer to the concerned department and send it to your head of the institution.
जी.
Okay. अच्छा, what more charges you are taking? What charge you are taking?
ये सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का है मतलब सखी जो है वन स्टॉप सेंटर सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का प्रोजेक्ट है। ये फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है।
Okay, total free of cost. यानी any ladies if suffered and you have been molested or been manhandled or been outraged her modesty or been physical assaulted, they will come here and you are providing services free of cost,
जी।
not charging anything,
नो
not a single money.
नो नो
Okay, thank you very much. You see, this is the center, so well established, as it is managed by the government of India and jointly with the state government, so nicely been managed. And the staffs are, those who are present here, they are very much cordial and very much volunteerism they have, and they are ready to work. And it is very really been astonished that they are rendering 24-hour service around the clock. So no matter by what time you will be suffered, you may take the assistance of this particular staffs around the clock. Any time you can come here and take the assistance and help of the staff. You see, there are two victim persons they are present, and as according to the provisions of Government of India and the Honorable Supreme Court, we are prevented not to show their face. These two victim ladies, they came after their initial consolations, they awaiting and they will be referred to concerned department. Let me talk the chief of the center, administrator, Mrs. Mausami Dora, and asking something about this particular center. So now we are having our center head, Madam Mausami Dora ji. Madam, you say being a head of these institutions, that means of this center, how many staff here working?
सबसे पहले नमस्ते, मेरा नाम मौसमी दोरा है। मैं सेंटर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर सखी संबलपुर से हूँ। 2018 से हमारे संबलपुर में ये सेंटर खुला है।
Yeah.
और यहाँ सेंटर में हमारे यहाँ पर 17 स्टाफ हैं।
17 स्टाफ, there are 17 staff working.
17 स्टाफ। ये हमारा सेंटर 24 आवर्स खुला रहता है। नो डाउट, अगर कोई महिला या बच्ची लोग 18 वर्ष से नीचे का अगर उनको ऊपर कुछ भी वायलेंस हो सकता है तो नो डाउट वो 24 आवर्स हमारे सेंटर को वो हेल्प ले सकते हैं।
That means, ma'am, you are saying that around the clock your staff are present here.
Present.
Okay, ma'am. And whenever anybody suffered, they can come to this center.
हमारे सेंटर में अगर कोई वायलेंस होता है तो अब वो खुद आ सकते हैं या किसी के हेल्प के माध्यम से आ सकते हैं या पुलिस के माध्यम से हमारे सेंटर को आ सकते हैं।
अच्छा, any charge you are taking, madam, for the
हमारे
service?
सेंटर में यहाँ हम कोई चार्ज नहीं लेते। अगर कहीं से आपको पता चला तो ये आप आके हमारे साथ भी कंसल्ट कर सकते हैं या जिला प्रशासन के तरफ से ये सेंटर खुला है तो आप उनके वहाँ पे जाके भी कंप्लेंट कर सकते हैं।
That means, ma'am, you say that if anybody demanding or claiming any money, then they may file complaint to you or they may file complaint to the district collector concerned.
जी।
Okay, ma'am, one more things. What message you want to give to the people?
मैं अगर कह सकते ये संबलपुर खुला है तो संबलपुर एक बहुत बड़ा जिला है हमारे उड़ीसा में, तो ये 9 ब्लॉक कवर करता है। तो मैं सबको ये मैसेज देना चाहती हूँ, अगर आपके एरिया में अगर किसी भी वायलेंस आप लेडीज़ को मिलते दिखते हैं तो ये हमारे सेंटर को हमको फ़ोन करने से हम उनको हमारे पास हम उनको सर्विस पहुँचाने के हम सेवा प्रदान करेंगे।
Thank you very much, ma'am. One thing is that, dear friends, this is a center, then one can take help if you face any type of problems. Basically, you see now domestic violence is going on, and basically the children's sexual offences are there, physical assaults are there. If you face any problems, you may contact to the center, and these people are there to help you and cope you around the clock. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.